Right, okay, we're in Oldham at the Old PLOUGH, said to be one of the best, if not the best, chippies in Oldham. And it wasn't such a bad drive up here. Not looking forward to the walk going back down the 602 or 62, as the traffic was really built up. You know, it's a bit of a scary proposition, so I might try and do a bit of avoiding the motorway. Right, okay, we've got cheese and onion pie, homemade or in-house made cheese and onion pie. And it looks great, it smells great, and it looks like there's tons of cheese going on in here. And it's supposed to be one of their big sellers. Oh, I'm giving that an O. That is really nice. Almost as good as my mum's and my wife's. See, I get that, I better get that in. That is delicious. That's just the filling I've been trying. So I get a little go at the pastry here. It's got a nice pastry base. It's soft. And it's got a nice pastry on the top. I'm going to have another little bit of this because I tell you, this is worth coming up for. I'm never fond of the plastics. Came in a plastic bag too. My wife's having a little bit now and scrunched her face up there in approval. This is the Irish curry sauce. I'm a sucker for Irish curry sauces. Let's try this one. It's very thin. You know, I mean, personally, I like it a little thicker, but it's roasting hot. And we're in the car park at the back. There's plenty of spaces and a little bit of noise going on, but I mean, it's not the most scenic of places, but we're here for the food. Now, this is a rag pudding, and that's wrapped up in plastic probably to sweat it. Let's give it a go. I'll put a bit of salt on it. Have a little look there. I thought I was coming up to have in-house rag puddings, but these are bought in. But it's delicious. This is chips, cheese and mayo. Apparently a local favourite. So I'm going to get into that. Oh, I like the cheese. Nice and stringy. Okay. Chips themselves, really nice. I like that combo. Right, last but not least, we've got the cod. Okay. So let's try some of this batter. A little bit heavy on the oil. Okay, cheese and onion pie is really nice, homemade or in-house, with plenty of cheese going on. The chips with the mayo and the cheese, lovely combination. Apparently, it's like I say, it's popular up here, and in other places in this part of the north. And I've never really tried that combo before, but yeah, I'll definitely have that again. The rag pudding, well, it was really nice. It was delicious, and is what you expect from a rag pudding. It wasn't in-house, which I was hoping for, but hey, I can't imagine any of them are. I mean, I thought this was a rarity, but I think most of them buy them in. The Irish curry, well, yeah, that was delicious. That was nice. A little bit thicker for me, but that's my personal preference. Some people like it thin to get all over everything and under everything. I kind of like it a little thicker to work with, so it doesn't sort of fall off my food when I pick it up, that kind of thickness, if you know what I mean. The fish itself, that batter just held on to that oil. Okay, let's go back to the computer. We'll look at a bad review from here. We'll look at something in the middle. We'll look at a top review, a 5-star review, and then I'll write mine on Google. So we'll see you there. So as you can see by that, It was a great chippy. The cheese and onion pie. Oh, you know, that was a real cheese and onion pie. You could spread that over a load of chips. Maybe have some beans with it as well. You could really make a big meal of that. Really liked the rag pudding and the chips. The chips were gorgeous, but it just fell down on the fish. And yeah, let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Just ordered for me and my partner. Chip butty and the chips weren't cooked and the bread bun were horrible. The chips were thrown in the bread bun and had nothing to eat all day. And we're looking forward to having chippy. That's ruined it for me and my partner. Had to throw away the full lot. What you're doing behind the counter, if you can't cook, sort it out. Never going there again. Hope you get shut down. I mean, that was pretty vicious. The last bit, you know, everyone's entitled to a review, but hope you get shut down. Response from the owner. I'm sorry about this. We will get it sorted straight away. If you would like your money back for the food, then please just call in whenever you're passing again. I am so sorry and we will get it sorted now. Thank you for the feedback and sorry it happened to you. 4 star. I do think some people are so negative and I'm sure every fast food business is entitled to have an off day. This is probably one of the best chippies I've had. The staff can't do enough and are so polite. The food is really good, well done. People have off days, businesses have off days, but when you're reviewing something, you can't think, if it's a bad review, or it's not going to be a great one, you can't think, well, it might just be an off day, so I'll give it a higher score. You can't do that, you know, so it doesn't work. It's like anything that you're reviewing, you can't base it on. If you're going to stay in a hotel, you can't say, oh, well, the cleaning staff left the room a mess, you know, maybe it was just an off day. You'll give it a review because it's based on your time, that day, that review, no other time. So, yeah, you know, it's one of them things and it's quite sad, but at the same time, you can only go off what your experience has been like. My experience has been like. It's just the way it is. 5 star. Fantastic food, fresh and hot, happy smiling staff, eager to help with a chat and a smile. 100% will only go here in the future. Thank you. Mine, 4 star. The Old Plough Chippy is among the most highly rated chippies in Oldham, and it is easy to see why. Located on a corner with free private parking at the rear, it offers convenience alongside its culinary delights. The staff are warm, friendly, and very polite. The in-house cheese and onion pie slice brought back fond memories of my youth, featuring plenty of real cheese, a light pastry, and nice pieces of onion. It was delicious. The Irish curry sauce was also tasty, as was the rag pudding and cheese and mayo chips. The fish was just okay, and the batter was on the greasy side and somewhat thick. It was a nice lunch after a long drive, and the cheerful staff made for a happy customer. Cooking in, palm oil, hygiene rating 4, cash only. Was worth a visit for the cheese and onion slice. I mean, oh, that was. I'm thinking about it now. I should have got an extra piece and brought it home. An extra couple of pieces, one each for me and my wife. Yeah. See you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.